hillbilly.
Cousin hillbilly.
That is the cousin hillbillies. I have the Dante, the Delange. I have the Big Macs. What is it?
It's not a Big Mac. Okay?
Oh, tell them who you are.
Hey, it's Mac Thompson, you know that. How many times do I gotta pile drive you before?
Oh, he broke my neck once. It hurt my knees.
You got the boobie.
And I got the boobies.
Boobies where?
Oh, you said the boo-boos?
No,
Not mine.
Boo-boo.
Oh, you couple that up. We're on the public access. No titty shots. Okay, let's get it underway. Tell us about yourself, H. What you do?
I kick ass and smoke grass.
He smokes illegals. What is tomorrow?
420 Eastern.
Is that your favorite holiday?
Not normally, but
He doesn't like the Easter, but he likes the J.R.R. Tolkien, the Hobbit. So here, Billy, what do you do? What are you here for?
he kicks ass and drinks beer.
He drinks the beer. He smokes the stuff, the illegals. What about you?
I run a casino at the Indian Reservation. If to all my good friends here, especially you, come on out, man. I'll give you $500 in chips. At the Indian Reservation and Casino in Tombstone, Arizona.
On the Easters, Johnny H says we passed the peace pipes. Speak up, see Johnny. They cannot hear you on the
Tell
TV.
him about the Indian and stuff.
Tell them about the Indian
What
and the
about the Indian, you redneck?
Ooh,
Pass the peace pipe on Eastern stuff.
Oh, I got your peace pipe.
that's not here.
I scalped these feathers from your grandma's purse,
Do
man.
not knock over my school, that's scary.
Somebody say peace pipe.
Huh? Oh, we getting illegal here.
Later at the casino.
We are
At
in
the
back
casino.
alleyway.
What?
I get
We are in
military
the back
discount, right?
alleyway.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
this is mine set.
All
This
the
is not an
food is
alleyway. There are not cars over there. Point at the cars, direct them on this sign. Those aren't cars. Point it back at me. Do not get the license plates. The FBI do not want to see where we're at. Mac, tell us, why are you here? Ah,
I'm here because somebody is gonna get their ass beat. And do you want to be it?
oh, no.
Somebody better pass the peace pipe before I get really pissed.
I don't
I
want to
got
get your
peace pipe
cholesterol
at
up.
casino.
Smoking peace pipe.
We smoking.
Smoke it. I do not smoke. I only smoke the no, I did not say that. That is not right. I do not smoke those houses. No homo. Okay, what is this crap? Talk.
What the hell is that?
Helmet.
It does not fit. It's stuck on my head. It does not come off. You did not see that element.
You know, I shot one of those off with an arrow one time.
Did you
Some
kill
brain
him?
Brain matter went with it too.
Splat. You killed that redneck scum.
Oh, yeah.
No offense, Emily. Look at that. What is that? Do you eat that kind of crap?
No, that's what the Indian do.
The Indians eat that crap.
We don't eat this shit.
Mac! Mac! You were once the tag team champions for the SDWAs?
Yeah, for a while.
What happened to that?
We got screwed out of it. Sheik
right.
went back to Arab somewhere, wherever the hell he's from. And
Right into Gamble?
he's probably riding the camel right now.
Right
He's at
into
the
Homes?
casino.
He's at the casino.
at the
It's a casino. He's gambling. He got an
He
addiction.
got his 70 virgins with him.
Oh, that's a lot of slots.
That's why he's here. He got a lot of 70 virgins, so he gonna have a good old time under his TP.
I cannot do that. That's not right. Ah! So,
I wouldn't want to say that.
you did not want 70 virgins?
70? Why not?
You gotta teach them all this. Virgins, you know?
He wants them used. He wants them.
Slightly.
In other words, he wants the ones that don't bathe. The redneck way.
Is that how you do that? Talk back. Tell us about yourself. What are you doing with that?
This shit's boring.
It's boring.
Next
Yeah, you're boring. You talk more. You need to talk more.
Next time you get Tom Double PP McLean down here, then let me know. Until then, I ain't saying anything else.
He's so good for the show. Do not talk. What is going on here? It's an earthquake.
Earthquake!
Franklin, Ohio has earthquake.
7.2,
Too
man.
much fracking. What do you tell them about the government? What do they do to your people?
They killed them all, man.
They
Just like
killed
they're
them
trying
all?
to kill us with this earthquake.
They killing us with the earthquake. I'm sick of the table. What is going on? Where did everybody go? Nobody likes the show. The cut. The cut.
Что вас тревожит, Джон? Странно, что эти туннели не охраняются. Лаборатории совсем близко. Профессор Карр. Капитан Бойд. Дорогой Джон, как непривычно видеть вас тут. Должен сказать, я впечатлен храбростью, которую проявили вы и ваши люди. Но должен отметить, что предпочтительней было бы, где Лоис. Она превосходная помощница. Но я хочу рассказать вам кое-что интересное. Что-то просто потрясающее. Храбрость, проявленную вами и вашими людьми, можно было бы потратить с большей пользой. Что вы хотите этим сказать, профессор? Может, изволите объясниться? Арестовать их. Это земляне, которых ожидала императрица. Профессор отключил наше оружие. Роджер и Кува, сюда. Остальные воспользуйтесь мечами. Стойте. Или мне придется убить ваших товарищей. Но компьютер... Что-то пошло не так, Джон. Компьютер не упоминал о наличии рядом с нами какой-либо жизни. Поэтому нас застали врасплох. Уведите их. Я уже потратил достаточно времени.